Acrylamide is a chemical compound used in various industries, including paper and pulp, construction and food processing. It naturally forms in certain starchy foods when cooked at high temperatures and is also found in cigarette smoke. However, there is still much to learn about this substance. Acrylamide is currently classified as a probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Organizations like the FDA and WHO acknowledge the need for further research on its effects. Studies on humans have not yet established a strong link between dietary acrylamide and common types of cancer. However, ongoing research is providing new insights into its potential danger. In the United States, the FDA regulates residual acrylamide in materials that come into contact with food. However, there are no current rules governing its presence in food itself. The EPA, on the other hand, regulates acrylamide levels in drinking water to ensure it remains within acceptable limits for human health. As we enjoy our favorite fried foods, it's important to be mindful of the acrylamide content they may contain. The high temperatures used in frying can trigger the formation of acrylamide, particularly in starchy foods like potatoes. French fries, a beloved snack worldwide, are particularly high in acrylamide due to the starchy nature of potatoes and the high-temperature frying process. Regular consumption of fried foods, therefore, can significantly increase our intake of acrylamide. The next time you're craving that crispy golden snack, remember, moderation is key. While complete avoidance of acrylamide is impossible, there are ways to reduce its ingestion in your daily diet. Some tips include replacing processed foods with fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains, opting for boiling, steaming or microwaving instead of frying, and carefully monitoring the cooking times of starchy foods to avoid overcooking. By making the right choices, you can lead a healthier lifestyle free from acrylamide concerns.